Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, tap on the phone dialer, then tap on more icon, the 3 dots one in upper corner. It's just beside the mic, and then select the settings. Here you should pick call blocking, and now simply by selecting add a number, you can add some particular number that you would like to block. So just let me enter it. And once you enter this number, just tap on block. And from now on, you will not receive any calls or messages from this particular number. But if you would like to delete this number from your blacklist, if you would like to remove it, just tap on the cross icon and then confirm your decision by tapping on unblock. And that's it. Now this number will be able to reach you, so it will be able to call you or send you a message. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.